Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, this is a YouTube exclusive only video. I'm not gonna upload it anywhere else. The Adventure Force Enforcer Belt Blaster. This is a nice gun. I've been looking for it for a while. It is a fully automatic 40 dart belt minigun, and it is a beast when it comes to suppressing fire. And I didn't think it would work with the Elite 2.0 darts, but it actually did. It came with Adventure Force darts that are actually the same length as the Elite. Activate the motion sensor lights down here in the basement. But what's cool about this? Runs on 6 AA batteries, and it has a, just set it up here on the dryer. It has a switch to turn it on. Just hold the trigger and you will be firing for a while. So I'm gonna show you how you would take the belt off. So you're gonna pop this up right here by flipping the little switch. And then you're gonna move your red thing right here, which is normally like downward. And then you should just be able to pop the belt right off. And this doesn't rotate, I don't think, but it moves in the barrel. This is what it sounds like when you turn it on. That is very powerful, but when you get hit, it doesn't even hurt. This is not a gun that you would want to hold with one hand because you have to put a lot of strain on your freaking muscles. It is actually meant to be held like an actual minigun. So let me show you. Alright, we're gonna set you up against this. This is actually how you're meant to hold it. Like this. Do not shake it. It does not like being shaken when fired. And yeah, fix this right now. So, where do you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and shoot directly all the way down there. There you go, powered up. And minor difficulties, hold on. That belt might have a small problem. It's been having quite a few problems. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. And I feel like you gotta get it to like a certain amount of rev. We're gonna check out this problem together. So I did get this from a Goodwill for like $9, and that's our problem. Our slow it down. Yeah, our firing thing kind of got stuck. So let me show you the inside of this real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me give you guys a break.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so your gears are like right here and they rotate, and your firing pin thing that goes into the back of the darts, it shoots there. And then your flywheels are right down in the front there. I don't think you guys can see. There we go. But I don't understand the problem with it. And it seems that the air conditioner just kicked on. So I'm gonna have to speak up a little bit. So let's go ahead and try this again. Alright, so let's give this thing a shot one last time, shall we? And we're revving it up. We'll give it a nice good chance. Belt's at full extend. I'm gonna get this figured out. There's one last time. Oh, there's one dart. And that's it. You fired one dart. Oh my god. It's like you gotta give it like a whole rev. It was working fine yesterday, I swear. Then one more. And it looks like the dart. As you can see, like when you hold down the trigger, the revs like slow way really down. So I don't really know what's up with it. Just kind of play with it and see what happens. And of course, having the same problem we had last time. Oh wait, hold up. It seems it popped up. Come on. Alright, there we go. We have, and now the rev. There we go. And then it slows down again. So anyways, this was actually supposed to be a really good video. Well, as you can see, that didn't really seem to happen. I am very sorry about that. So maybe don't buy this from Goodwill. I paid $9 for this, so I'm kind of mad about it. It was seriously working fine yesterday, and the belt was turning and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some more. I'm gonna bring some more guns down here. We're gonna shoot for a little bit. This has turned into a range time video. Range time video coming out right now. Alright, guys. So since this, I don't even know what to call this anymore. I'm probably gonna call it a piece of crap or something to that effect. We're going to be shooting the Nerf Rival Mercury. I'm pretty sure it's the Edge series. I think I remember now. And a Dino Squad Terror Shot, something like that. So, as always, we're shooting at that wall. So, we'll get you guys set up, and I will show you how to load the Terror Squad. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and hit this down. Be loading your darts in ever so carefully, because this thing likes to bend your darts. Snap it up, spin, hammer, fire, and then fired the second one, so that's something too. And we have 4 shots left in this Mercury. Came back at us. If you can see the Mandalorian now, kind of. Oh yeah, right in his arm. Oh yeah, right in his chest. I don't think rival balls would pierce his armor, but you know, it was worth a shot. So we've learned not to buy miniguns from Goodwill. And I guess you could say we've learned the terror squad likes to shoot freaking 2 darts at once. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my balls. But sorry about that, guys. This literally turned into a range time video because the gun decided not to work. It was working fine yesterday. But anyways, guys, make sure to like, comment, and shoot that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next video. And as always, stay tuned for the next video tomorrow. And as always, peace. Peace! And guys, I forgot to tell you what my major announcement was in the video before this, the Rival Chronos video. So my major announcement is that we are now moving back to Ohio to take care of my grandfather. Both of my grandmothers have passed away, sadly. Leave a rest in peace down in the comments. We are moving back to take care of him. So I'm trying to turn my Nerf gun YouTube career into a full-time job, or at least try to make a little bit of cash off of it. So as always, like, comment, and shoot the subscribe button, and leave a rest in peace down in the comments. I will see you all in tomorrow's video.